Oh, hello! Welcome to my channel. This is MK. So today I like to share with you about newborn baby photography beanbag setting tutorial for beginners. So I will show you step by step. First, I have this rug pad. This rug pad is pretty cheap and you can find it from the Target. And I place this on the floor first, on the beanbag to secure the beanbag from the moving for the safety. And second, I place the beanbag, and then you do need to, I purchased this beanbag from the Amazon, and you also needed 2 bags of polystyrene bean fillers that goes inside of this beanbag. Let me show you what's inside of the beanbag. As you can see, these are the polystyrene bean fillers that goes here. And after that, I placed another rug pad to secure the blanket that I'm gonna place on now. This blanket is, I folded this folded blanket. I placed it on top of this rug pad to secure. And then you always wanna, well, I like to keep the beanbag warm for the newborn baby, especially who is very sensitive to the temperature. So I have this electric heating pad that goes under this blanket. And then when the newborn baby arrives, I turn off this heater. And after that, I have single foam mattress topper that I purchased from the Target. And I cut half to fit on top of this beanbag. And after that, I cut a circle out in the middle of this foam mattress topper. And this is great, especially if you are new beginners who have a hard time to pose the baby or make a contour. And when you place this one, and it's easier to pose the baby, that also gives a contour when you are taking a newborn baby photography. Okay, after that, and you place this backdrop blanket, and then you also put this frame to hold this backdrop blanket, and in this way. And let me show you. And make sure that you make it smooth and remove all the wrinkles. And then use this clipper that you can buy from the Amazon. I recommend it to buy the medium or large size for the safety. And then you can clip right here, and then you can clip here to remove all the wrinkles. So this is where the baby is going to be placed. So because I placed this single foam mattress topper under this backdrop blanket, and it automatically, when you place the newborn baby here, it gives the nice contour without using the posing pillows. And but also you can buy these pillows, posing pillows, but as a beginner, you can start with a couple of the posing pillows, or you can also use roll up the towels to place under the backdrop blanket to pose the baby. And lastly, you always want to keep your room temperature warm for the newborn baby who is very sensitive to the temperature. So make sure that baby feels cozy and feels warm, so that way they can sleep through while you are taking a photography of babies. Okay, so this is the newborn photography beanbag setting tutorial for beginners, and I hope that this is help you, and thank for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.